Welcome to the future 3D printing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D printing. It's one of those technologies that feels straight out of the future, taking a digital design and transforming it into a physical object right before your eyes. We'll explore what 3D printers are all about, how they work their magic, and some awesome ways you can use them to unleash your creativity. So, what exactly is a 3D printer? Imagine this, a machine often about the size of a microwave that builds objects layer by layer from the bottom up. It's like having a mini factory right on your desk. You feed it a digital design, usually created on a computer, and it uses a special material, kind of like plastic filament, to bring that design to life. The printer heats up the material, melts it down, and then precisely lays it down in thin layers, following the digital blueprint. As more and more layers are added, the object takes shape. It's honestly mesmerizing to watch. Let's talk about something we all use and can always personalize: phone cases. With 3D printing, you can design and print your own unique phone case, and we're not just talking about choosing a color. You can get really creative with the texture, adding ridges, patterns, or even a cool matte finish. Imagine designing a case with your name engraved on it, or maybe your favorite quote, or even a logo you created. The possibilities are endless. No more settling for generic cases when you can literally hold your creativity in your hand. Chapter 3. 3D printing isn't just for tech gadgets, it can completely transform your living space. Want a one-of-a-kind vase that perfectly matches your curtains? Print it! How about some custom wall art that reflects your personality? You got it. You can create personalized home decor items, from sleek minimalist designs to intricate and artistic pieces. 3D printing empowers you to become your own interior designer, bringing your unique vision to life without breaking the bank. At Chapter 4, we've all been there. Your favorite gadget breaks, a small part snaps off, and you're left searching for a replacement. Sometimes you can't even find the part, and it feels like your gadget is doomed. Well, not anymore. 3D printing swoops in to save the day. With a 3D printer, you can actually print your own replacement parts. Find the design online, load it up, and print. It's like having a magical replicator right on your workbench. No more waiting for parts to ship or paying exorbitant prices. You become the master of your own gadget repairs. Chapter 5. 3D printing isn't just for making cool gadgets and home decor. It's also a powerful tool for education. Imagine students being able to print out 3D models of the human heart in biology class, or intricate architectural designs in their design courses. For aspiring inventors and creators, 3D printers are like prototyping powerhouses. You can print out your ideas, test them, refine them, and print again. It's an iterative process that accelerates learning and sparks innovation. The ability to hold your ideas in your hand, to see them transform from digital models to physical objects, is incredibly empowering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you would like to print with a 3D printer. The possibilities are truly endless, and we're just scratching the surface of what this technology can do. See you in the next video.